In this video, we're going to talk about how to ask video testimonial questions for your law firm that will keep your law firm bar compliant, keep you out of hot water, keep you from getting in trouble, keep you from getting those videos banned. My name's Ian Garlic, and if you haven't subscribed to this entire series, down below you can subscribe to the series, How to Create Video Testimonials for Law Firms That Work, that get you results. Now, if you've watched the series, you know that we're not gonna ask for video testimonials, we're gonna ask for video case stories. You can go back and check out that video if you don't know why, but I'm gonna talk about video case stories now. Video case stories can transform your business. For a long time, law firms weren't allowed to use testimonials. And that has changed. But the reason that law firms weren't able to use testimonials was the exact reason that we don't want to ask for testimonials and want to use video case stories. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 major things that you need to make sure to keep your video case stories compliant. Number 1, of course, if you talk about results, if your client talks about results, you need to make sure that somewhere on the screen that you say that those results are not guaranteed, and that you can't guarantee those results. Most bar associations, that is a no-no. Next up, in a lot of states, your clients cannot talk about your abilities as an attorney. Now, what does that mean? That means that they can't say you are a great lawyer. They can't say you were great at trial. They can speak to how they felt about working with you. They can speak to their experience. They can't speak to your abilities as an attorney. The caveat, and this is an important one that you can do, especially if you work with other attorneys. Other attorneys, judges, can speak to your abilities. Now, most judges, until they're retired, can't be on video. But once they're retired, they can talk about you. So other attorneys, judges, legal experts can speak to your abilities. The other thing that will get you in hot water with video case stories is having actors or having someone who's not actually a client talk about you. I know it seems pretty straightforward, but don't ever do that. Some people ask, can I get someone else to talk about this case? You have someone else talk about the case, but they can't say that they're the person in that case. And you have to make sure that you say that they're a spokesman or an actor. And that comes into a side note when you use B-roll that is not the client. B-roll being those videos, those cut-in videos. You have to designate that that person is an actor in many states. But these are a few of the things that really can get you into hot water. What I generally say is if your client just tells their story, tells their experience, and says how great you were as a person, how happy they are with the results, how much, more importantly, how much their lives have transformed, the problems that they have and the problems that have gone away, you're going to tell a great story. And like I said in previous videos, it should not be too much about you anyways. No one really cares about you. They care about the results that you've gotten about that client's journey. So think through these things and make sure if you're hiring a videographer, hiring an expert, that they know your law firm, understand the bar rules. Now, I'm not an attorney. I've never played one on TV. You should always consult your bar rules. Your videographer, your marketer, everyone else should not be the one that keeps you compliant. You need to keep yourself compliant. But if you hire a certified videographer, someone that understands your law firm, a certified marketer that understands the rules, the bar rules in your state, you have a much better chance of not getting in hot water, much better chance of playing by the rules, and a much better chance of getting the results that you're looking for with your video case stories.